Before we take off on a half flap takeoff, I want to remind you I got FMS codes in the description of the video. If you get value out of this video, please consider using them. If not, enjoy. Getting out of the flaps. We have some pretty thick grass down here, guys, so it's always pretty interesting in the Pacific Northwest. Man, the light's down low enough. Look at those lights popping. Flip it into high rates and do a real aileron roll here. There we go. I just love the scale outline of this plane. And the lights all over just look so good. And yes, I can hear the comments right now. This is not scale flying with the Cessna, but it's got 4S power and it's kind of fun to fly like that. We're gonna do a little scale flying right now for you scale flying aficionados. I'm not gonna get too crazy. Slow flyby. Yeah, John knows what that means when I'm getting that low and slow.
The low roll you did earlier told me you were comfortable.
That too, the low roll earlier. Yes. Yeah. This is one of those planes that you tend to feel very comfortable very quickly. Which frankly, most FMS planes are really, really nice. All right. I'm gonna do one more high-speed pass and then I'm gonna set up to land and hopefully we can have a nice, good landing. Very cool. Yeah, this is going to be one I'm going to take out quite often. It definitely stores and transports and assembles very easy. And that is awesome. If you haven't seen the way this thing goes together, check out my unboxing video. It is worth the time. I love this plane. Making butter. Oh yeah. When we come back, we're gonna see how much battery is left in the tank. Check out this tester here. Checks out each individual cell. And that's the fourth one. Awesome. And for those of you that want to know the percentage, don't know how to do that math, here's this one. 31% left in the tank after that flight. Check the description for the FMS code. Save yourself some money. For John VHRC, GBLynden, out.